And once you decide what position you're going to go in, you want to see how it's priced relative to how it has been priced lately. So say I decide, well, this is a situation where I'd like to trade a broken wing butterfly. I'm in the middle of everything. There's really no bearish opportunity. There's no bullish opportunity. I want to do a broken wing butterfly. So I want to check my price. So I decide what my entry position is. I go back in time. I enter it in BackTrader. I bring it up to today to see how the price has been reacting over the last week or so. However long you want to do that for. You might know if you've been watching another position, right? A lot of times I know how it's been reacting because I'm watching it anyway. But if you're going in and you have no idea, what you do is you go back and you back test it, and you'll see the pricing changes. And if you see some sort of a drastic pricing change, you might want to take a look and reference the charting and just see what the heck the volatility is doing.